Introducing the Sentrax BLE AoA Evaluation Kit, designed for real-time precise tracking and positioning. This advanced kit utilizes Bluetooth Low Energy, angle of arrival technology for effortless tracking of objects, people, and assets across the facility areas. Inside, you'll find everything needed for quick deployment: ZENIX angle of arrival scanners and gateways, PINIX tags and beacons for person and asset tracking, along with all essential accessories. Our systems deliver precise, real-time sub-meter accuracy to enhance operational safety. Let's explore the details of the AoA Evaluation Kit products. ZENIX LAN 2 BLE AoA Indoor Locator and Gateway provides precise sub-meter location tracking. PINIX TOW 1 BLE AoA Tag for real-time asset tracking. PINIX TOC 1 BLE AoA Smart Badge Tag for real-time person tracking. Seamlessly deploy and configure with our Solix Suite RTLS platform, featuring real-time tracking, live and heat maps, and advanced reporting. This kit is designed for smart building, healthcare, and industrial applications, delivering real-time positioning data. Unlock your business's full potential with the Sentrax BLE AoA Evaluation Kit. For more information, visit our website at sentrax.com.